My first race ever was a marathon. I hadn't even run a 5K in my life. I ran it on a kind of a dare from a high school friend, and I dang near killed myself. I said, we need to do this downtown. And the mayor at that time, Bruce Furness, said, okay, no problem, you got it. And once we said marathon, it just kind of took off. We consistently are anywhere from, say, 22 to 24,000. You know, I hate to say it, but most people don't expect Fargo to be as fun as it is. One of the best things that we did, we introduced the live music. It's fast because it's flat. It's celebrated really well by the people who live here. Now it's kind of like they just know. Okay, it's marathon day, so mimosa's over and we're gonna have people out partying. And I see it changing people's lives. Just, you know, they're happier, they're healthier. I always say that you get the elite athletes who are gonna go win the race, but I get more excitement out of somebody who does their first marathon, and if it takes them 7 hours to finish it, but it's a lifelong goal that they accomplish, I get pretty excited about that. I'm Knutson. Come and meet my North Dakota.